organization.
My name is Chief Mrs. Iro. I'm from Nigeria. I thank all of you for coming. I'm so much excited and elated to be here. My children and myself, including my husband, who is way back in Nigeria. In short, I'm short of words. I must have to start by thanking Professor Ikechukwu is one in 1 million Nigerians that has this type of passion to help the downtrodden. As you know, Nigeria, all over the world, they think that Nigeria is a rich country because we have oil, we have everything. Natural environment is there, but our problem is governance. Not that there is no education in Nigeria. There is quality education in Nigeria. But the people that are suffering are the rural community of Nigeria, the people in the grassroots. And these are the group that Professor Ikechukwu has identified and say it is not fair for people in the township or in the federal capital or in the cities to enjoy life while the people in the rural communities are suffering. No education for them, no better life for them. And this identification, I give her a round of applause. People should clap for her. Now, she has come to where it is happening. And this is the seat of the world, United Nations, where voices are heard. If you have problem and run to them, in short, I will say that your problem is solved. I am happy that Professor Ikechukwu is here and he has brought the complaint of our people to where their voice will be heard. And I'm believing that today's occasion will not go without her achieving her aim for today's speech. And again, you can hear all of them, whatever they are talking about is what? Partnership. Partnership, partnership. Partnership in the form of funding. Yes, electricity is a problem in our society where we come from. But alternative for energy is what she's sourcing for. That is solar energy system. And I'm very, very sure that in America here, most buildings, most hospitals, schools are using alternative energy, which is solar system. The solicitation of solar system, I am also saying that the source where funding partnership can be achieved, her appeal should go direct to that place, so that these young lads, young girls she's raising, that has hope from her. Her hope is dependent on whatever she's going to achieve from this gathering today. I am of the opinion that some of us here that at the helm of affairs of United Nations should take her report to the right source. I, on my own, I can say that I'm also a partner to Professor Okechukwu. I have passion for the girl child. I have passion for education. I own an NGO too. And my NGO has done a lot for the downtrodden in Nigeria under education, health, and empowerment of women. And when she came to Nigeria and came to us, I think she was pleased with what we are doing to help the needy and the poor. If another person like her can be raised in Nigeria to fight for the poor and the needy, I think that we will achieve more. So, based on that note, I am saying that all of you here, thank you very much for coming, and I know that something will happen from today, from the speech and presentation of Professor Okechukwu. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody that came us up to the stage. That we give us time for the next
panel is going to be setting up.